What's up, everybody? Peter here. Got some Lightspeed disc golf swag that I just got in, and I'm gonna unbox it for everybody. First thing we're looking at is we have some discs here. Check these out. We have our Lightspeed Embers. These are my throwing putters here. Super cool, 3302. Look at that stamp. Super sick. We got the gold stamp there. So we have the embers. Underneath that, what else do we have here? It's gonna be some more stuff. What else do we have? We've got some Lightspeed stickers. We've got some more embers. This one has the circle stamp, silver puddle stamp. This is the gold stamp with the rainbow foil. Then we've got some lumens. This one, stock stamp green. Another stock stamp green. 172 grams on this one, and also 172 on that one. And then we have the ice stamp, blue stamp, 173 gram lumen. And then we have our Team Series Jeremy Knudsen, the Daybreaker. And we have a double stamp Daybreaker. It's a factory second. Two stamps. You got the America stamp and then the purple stock stamp. And then another double stamp Daybreaker with the rainbow ice stamp. So we have a total of 3 of those, 3 lumens, and then 5 embers. And then in this largest package here, we have a couple of things. Look at this. We got a couple of Lightspeed hats. Super, super cool. Put that on. Alright, so there's 2 of those. Then I have a Lightspeed towel. Bam, like that. That's also really sick. Oh my gosh. Got the disc golf car decal. We have a chalk mini, a Lightspeed chalk mini. And then, wow, look at this. And then we have our red sparkle stamp, cube sparkle stamp Daybreaker. We have our rainbow ice stamp Ember. And we have our rainbow ice stamp Jeremy Knudsen. That's another Daybreaker. Look at that. So we've got our full stock of Lightspeed. Look at these things. So cool. So I've got Daybreaker, Ember, Daybreaker. Then we have the lumens here and embers here. Ember, lumen, Daybreaker, all with Super 6 stamps. And a bunch of Lightspeed gear as well. Thank you again to Ian and Jeremy from Lightspeed for having me aboard. This is super, super sick. All this stuff. By the way, like half of this stuff I didn't even order. They sent it to me as a sick package for joining the team. So this is really, really cool. And I can't wait to throw some of these, especially the Ember, because the Ember is new. I haven't thrown the Ember yet. So I'm super, super excited to see what Lightspeed brings me in the future. Heck yeah. All right. Here's to a great 2026 with Lightspeed.